Meaning of ilang-ilang.
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 Ilang-ilang. Ilang-ilang is a flowering tree native to Southeast Asia, specifically in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Its scientific name is Cananga odorata. The plant's highly fragrant flowers are used to produce essential oil, which has a sweet, floral scent often used in perfumery and aromatherapy. In traditional medicine, the plant is believed to have sedative and antiseptic properties. The word ilang-ilang is derived from Tagalog, one of the main languages spoken in the Philippines, and means wilderness or rare.